The United States National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration reported, sea level rise could reach an additional foot by 2050 for the USA. This report is a multi-agency effort which includes other institutions such as NASA, the Environmental Protection Agency, the United States Geological Survey and the Army Corps of Engineers, among others. Based upon a combination of tide gauge, satellite observations and the models from the 6th Assessment Report of the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, sea levels along the U.S. coastline are expected to rise from now, an additional 10 to 12 inches or 25 to 30 centimeters by the year 2050, amount that could change regionally, depending on coastal changes and other effects such as rainfall, river discharge, coastal erosion, and existing infrastructure. This expected sea level rise will produce an increment of coastal flooding, even in the absence of rain or storms. When ocean tides or storm surges are present, the sea level increase will reach further inland. The report mentions that, by 2050, moderate flooding is expected to occur 10 times more often than it does today. While major and destructive flooding is expected to occur 5 times more often than now in 2050. The rise for the year 2100 is expected to be an additional 2 feet from now, or 60 centimeters. But this amount could be as high as 7 feet, or 2.1 meters depending on future conditions. These projections inform coastal communities that they can be vulnerable to sea level rise, and they need to make, starting now, wise decisions to be safe. Sea level rise is creating new risks for coastal zones, not only in the United States, but around all the coastal regions of the world. It is very important to continuously track how and why sea level is changing, and to communicate the findings to the government institutions and the public. For this reason, it will be vital to expand the monitoring efforts and the knowledge of the reasons why the sea level is rising. To find out more about this report, you can read it at its web page. Thanks for watching. If this video was interesting to you, leave your like. For regular updates on weather, climate, and science topics around the world, subscribe to this channel. See you soon.